Hi kids, welcome to Tuck Tales. Myself Shalu Bansali, and today my story is I'm so sleepy. It's a story about a baby elephant who just forgot how to sleep. Now, if you like my story, please like my channel Tuck Tales and do subscribe it. So, let us see how does the story unfolds. Baby Bahadur is a very forgetful elephant. He is a cute little baby and he just forgot how to sleep. Is it possible? A baby can forget how to sleep? But yes, with Baby Bahadur, everything is possible. Baby Bahadur just forgot how to sleep. Bahadur is a very forgetful baby. One day, Bahadur forgot how to drink water. Amma scolded Bahadur and said, Bahadur, baby elephants drink water with their trunk. You should always remember it. How can you forget such a little thing? You should know how to eat, how to drink water. But Bahadur being Bahadur, he's a small little elephant and he just realized how difficult it is being a baby. So one day, Amma went to meet her old school friend Geeta auntie. And baby Bahadur was all alone at his home. Now what happened? Baby Bahadur was feeling so sleepy and he was, I'm feeling very sleepy. But Baby Bahadur forgot how to sleep. Now what to do? Baby Bahadur just couldn't remember how to sleep. How much hard he had tried to remember how to sleep. But no, he just couldn't remember. So he thought he'll just go in the jungle and ask his other friends if they could help him how to sleep. So he went to Shanmugam the lion. Baby Bahadur asked, Shanmugam, do you know how elephants sleep? I am feeling so sleepy, but I don't remember how to sleep. Do you know, Shanmugam? But Shanmugam was already asleep. He was sleeping. So Manu the monkey shouted from top of tree, Shh! Quiet, Bahadur! Don't you know Shanmugam is sleeping? Shanmugam is sleeping? Yeah, Shanmugam sleeps for the whole day. Don't you know? Whole day? Said Bahadur. It's a lot of sleep. How can someone sleep for a whole day? Manu said, but Bahadur, lion sleeps for the whole day. And Shanmugam is also sleeping. Don't disturb, otherwise he'll get angry. Baby Bahadur said, okay. But he thought, let me ask Manu how elephant sleeps. So he asked Manu, okay Manu, Shanmugam is sleeping. But can you help me? I am feeling so sleepy. But I can't remember how elephants sleep. I don't know how to sleep. Can you help me? Manu thought for a while. Let me think. I have an idea, Bahadur. Oh, please speak fast, Manu. You come on the tree. Let both of us climb the tree and you sleep on the tree. Baby Bahadur. Shanmugam, if I will climb the tree, the entire tree will fall down. No, no. My friend, you are mistaken. Elephants don't sleep on the tree. Manu said, yeah, you are right, friend. Anyway, I cannot help you. How I cannot just help you to sleep. Baby Bahadur said, it's okay, Manu. I'll find someone else. As Baby Bahadur was moving, he saw his friend Paitu the pig. He was just completely covered with mud and he was playing along with his kids. Bahadur asked Paitu, Paitu, I am feeling so sleepy. Can you help me? Can you let me know how elephants sleep? I just forgot how elephants sleep. Paitu said, I don't know, Bahadur. Pig sleeps in mud. Me and my kids, we just sleep in this mud. If you want to come, you can also join us. You also sleep with us in mud. No. This is so dirty. Elephants don't sleep in the mud. Anyway, thank you, Paitu. I'll just go and ask someone else. As Bahadur was moving slowly in the jungle, whom did he meet? Ritu the rabbit. Bahadur mistakenly stomped on his tail and Ritu shouted, watch out, Bahadur, you have stomped on my tail, I'll get hurt. Sorry, Ritu, I'm just feeling so sleepy. I could not see your tail. Can you help me to sleep? Ritu thought for a while. Bahadur, I have an idea. Come, sleep in my hole. Poor Bahadur, he again scratched his head. Ritu, you live in a small hole. Even my trunk will not fit in that hole. But anyway, thank you, Ritu, for your help. And Bahadur just said her goodbye. Now, as Bahadur was moving slowly in the jungle, he just heard a sniffing sound. Ashoo, ashoo. Who is it? Who is it? Said Bahadur. Suddenly, from the sand comes out Kamal Nayanam the camel. Hello, little baby. How are you doing? Asked Kamal Nayanam to Bahadur. I'm doing fine, Kamal Nayanam, but Amma has gone to meet Geeta auntie and I am feeling so sleepy. But I forgot how to sleep. Can you help me? Okay, Kamal Nayanam said, I have an idea, Bahadur. Come, sleep with me on sand. Bahadur thought for a while. No, Kamal Nayanam. I cannot sleep with you on sand. The dust will get into my eyes and the sand will get into my trunk. And then I'll keep sniffing all the time. No, Bahadur. No, Kamal Nayanam. Elephants don't sleep on the sand. Kamal Nayanam said, okay, Bahadur, then I cannot help you. I don't know how elephants sleep. Bahadur was very tired and he was feeling so sleepy. He was remembering Amma. He was missing Amma. If Amma would have been here, she would have told Bahadur how to sleep. So Bahadur was just walking in the jungle. Bahadur got very tired and he started looking for a river or pond to drink some water. As he went near the pond, suddenly he heard a splashing sound. Chapak! Chapak! Oh, who is it? Suddenly, from the pond came out Chandu the crocodile. Ooh. What happened, Bahadur? How are you? You are looking very upset, asked Chandu. Yes, Chandu, I am upset. Amma has went out to meet Geeta auntie and I forgot to sleep. I am feeling very sleepy, Chandu, but I couldn't sleep. Chandu said, okay, let me help you. Bahadur, come with me in the river and we will sleep on the rock. Now, Bahadur thought for a while and said, no, 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 Chandu, don't fool me. Amma had strictly warned me not to go in this pond alone. So, I am not coming near you. I am not coming to you. Anyway, thank you, Chandu. I want to drink water and I will leave. Bye. Same way, Bahadur just drank water and left. And he was really, really tired and was just missing Amma. And he saw, whom did he saw? He saw someone who could really help him. He saw Hutokshi the horse. Hello Hutokshi, how are you? But Hutokshi didn't respond. Bahadur again asked to Hutokshi, hello Hutokshi, how are you? Hutokshi still didn't respond. Hutokshi was sleeping. She was standing and sleeping. Bahadur just jumped with the joy. Now I remember. Elephant sleeps either standing or by lying down on the ground near a tree. Yay! Now I remember everything. Bahadur was very happy and he just leaned down on a tree and fell asleep, and all the animals sang Bahadur a lullaby. Good night, Bahadur.